Safemoon V2 is as of now at the #3He5092 position in the digital currency market. It had an ARTH of $7232 on January 4, 2022, while the ongoing cost is just $3815, somewhere around 99.41% from its ARTH. Has the SFM token lost its appeal? Will SFM crypto recuperate from here on out? Figure out replies to every one of these and other pertinent questions in our Safemoon value forecast and substantially more. In view of our Safemoon V2 cost forecast, the cost of SFM will cross the $884 mark toward the finish of 2024. As indicated by our Safemoon cost expectation 2025, the fate of the SFM token is splendid, and it could raise a ruckus around town mark. Our SFM cost forecast 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $3458. Safemoon, going to the moon. Safemoon is a computerized money and an arising utility token utilized as a mode of decentralized trade. Safemoon convention is controlled by circulated record innovation made by BNB Chain with a market cap of around $3593, intended for a drawn-out venture put selling down. For that reason, numerous crypto tokens fans are hopeful about the future capability of Safemoon. Here you will get an outline of Safemoon with authentic cost activity, specialized examination, and Safemoon cost forecast. On the off chance that the Safemoon engineers stay devoted to their commitment, Safemoon is supposed to give in excess of a 1,000% return in the following decade. Safemoon designers physically control the coin flow to lessen the stockpile and keep up with the interest. It was presented in December 2021, and from that point onward, the SFM coin value flooded to a record-breaking high of $7232, yet the cost fell almost 96% from its pinnacle. Numerous specialists think SFM is a speculative resource since it has no natural worth. To that end, you want to consider a few dangers related with the venture, for example. The SFM coin's cost activity is incredibly unstable, making the Safemoon cost forecast extreme. Digital forms of money are new, such countless individuals question the manageability of such countless coins and government-issued types of money in the long haul. Safemoon token is a well-known decision for crypto devotees in light of the fact that Safemoon charges 10% of the exchange expense and rearranges 5% to its holders, while the excess 5% is added to the liquidity pool. Safemoon Crypto Wallet and Safemoon V2 are chipping away at the BNB chain. Safemoon V2 made sense of. Safemoon V2 offers better openness, security, and ease of use than the past variant. Here exchanges are charged at 2% for moves among wallets and 10% for purchases charge. The circulation has changed with the movement. Among the leftover 5%, 2% of tokens are scorched, 1% of tokens are added to the development reserve, and 3% of tokens are added to the liquidity pool of Safemoon V2 coin. Safemoon had a liberal cost development toward the start of the last year. In any case, around June, Safemoon V2 cost shaped a lower low which recommended an energy change as long as possible. SFM cost lost a ton of force in the last part of 2022 with minimal energy. Safemoon is an unstable coin which is noticeable from its cost activity in light of the fact that Safemoon costs shaped a record-breaking high of around $7232 in the third 7-day stretch of January 2022. From that point onward, it framed a downtrend with bunches of unpredictability and huge candles. Do you need reserve funds and more secure ventures? Is Safemoon V2 the best crypto to put resources into for the following decade? Would it be advisable for you to consider adding Safemoon V2 to your portfolio after the tremendous cost developments? In the accompanying areas, you will find every one of the solutions. In light of the security, unwavering quality, and own exploration, we foresee an upswing in the impending years. Safemoon will see a ton of inflows of assets by institutional financial backers and crypto fans in the long haul. Because of this downturn, expansion, and increasing loan fees after the pandemic, the money portfolio has endured a significant shot, and the crypto space has endured. The cost of Safemoon V2 coin will flood, so the expected return for money invested following a couple of months, and it will be a productive speculation as long as possible. At the hour of composing this post, SFM was exchanging around $3834. The transient help is around $216, yet after such a long downtrend, it could likewise break this level. In view of the specialized markers, financial backers ought to be mindful about momentary speculation on the grounds that the cost could break the help out of the blue and precede the downtrend. In light of our Safemoon cost expectation, it's anything but a great time for a momentary speculation. However, Safemoon could be a less unstable and safer resource in the long haul. Peruse our Safemoon cost expectation as long as possible so you can purchase Safemoon in accordance with your speculation objectives. Safemoon V2 Value Expectation 2024. As per Safemoon expectation, it is assessed that the coin might exchange between the scope of $1.125 to $1.884, where $1.125 is the base cost and $1.884 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are suppositions that the SFM coin might have a typical cost of $1.55. Safemoon Value Forecast 2025. The SFM coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $1.785 and $1.113 separately, according to our Safemoon V2 Cost Expectation 2025. Conversely, the typical cost may be $957, with a rate change of around 40%. Safemoon Value Forecast 2026. According to our Safemoon cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $2.2129, with a base and greatest cost of $991 and $1.1427 individually for the year 2026. The instability of the Safemoon cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost expectations. Safemoon Expectation 2027. In light of the SFM cost expectation, our specialists propose that the digital money might exchange a scope of $1.1273 and $1.1833 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Safemoon might be $1.1553. Safemoon Value Expectation 2028. Our Safemoon figure for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $1.1967, while the base and most extreme qualities might be around $1.1612 and $1.321 separately. Simultaneously, the Safemoon specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be half. Safemoon V2 Value Forecast 2029. After this unpredictability, the SFM token cost will be steady in the following year. The value example will stay sideways with a typical cost of $353. It will offer an amazing chance to collect more currencies for the following couple of years. Subsequently, you can expect a cost flood in the following year according to our Safemoon cost forecast. Safemoon Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our SFM cost gauge demonstrates that the expected high of the coin might be $1.3458, with a likely low of $1.42 in the crypto market. The definite Safemoon cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $9.93. In view of the specialized examination, Safemoon's cost is overwhelmed by merchants, and Safemoon is well known in light of the fact that it gifted great revisitations of certain dealers, while it exploded sums for others in light of the fact that the worth of SFM coin has decreased over the most recent year. As per CoinMarketCap, the ongoing positioning of Safemoon is #3T592, with a crypto market cap of $23.71 and exchanging volumes of $47